Hello there, everyone. And if you didn't read the title, you're probably wondering what you're looking at. Well, I has a box, and well, if you watch my collection videos, you probably know what's in the box. So let's just unbox it. I have some scissors here, as you can see. So we'll do it from this side, so I don't, you know, show you my address or anything, because there's a layer something on the other side. Okay. I know what this is, unless, because my sister also got something in the same, like the same thing. So unless this is my sister's thing by accident, then this is a well, it's the Lego Star Wars set. And it is. I'm expecting. It's. You can see that. Okay, you have to guess what set it is. 3, 2, 1. Oh. It is the 20th anniversary Slayer 1 set. So if you couldn't really hear any audio just then, there's like my mic was on the floor whilst I was unboxing it, so like on my bed. So I'm sorry if you can hear. But yeah, 20th anniversary Slayer 1 set. Really great set. Some really great minifigures in it as well. Very happy to get those. I forgot how great those minifigures are. And of course, the 20th anniversary Princess Leia. Oh dear. So yes, this is a phenomenal set. Thank you for watching, and my Lego Stars collection video should be out. Well, minifigures will be tomorrow, and then sets will be on Monday. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.